Hello students, welcome to science video class. Today we will start our new chapter, that is chapter 8, and the chapter name is useful things. Okay, so as you all know, we use so many things in our daily basis. We use different kind of things which are used by us on the daily basis. As you all know that so many things are created by the nature in the world. Okay, so, maximum kind of things are created by the nature in the world, like people means human beings, who are us means हम लोगों को किसने बनाया है, नेचर ने बनाया है. And beside us there are so many things which are created by the nature, that is animals, plants, air, rocks, soil, mountains. These all are also created by the nature. Okay, so we use the natural resources which is available in the world, in the atmosphere, and we use them to make the things we use in our daily basis. Okay, so these things are called man-made things. Okay, which things are called? These things are called man-made things which we made by the help of the use of natural resources. Okay, so in the man-made things, so many things are involved which we use in our daily basis. Like every day we use 100 type of things in our daily use which are man-made. Okay, so there are so many things like clothes, furnitures, books, magazine, TV, mobile, and means of transport which you use from go to here and there. Okay, and beside it, and other things are also available which you use in every day. Okay, so various kind of materials are used to make these things, but we get many materials by the plants or animals. There are two main kinds of things which the producers, which we call the producers. So we get so many things by the plants and the animals. Many natural resources also found from the underground. Means कि देखिए, हम लोगों को बहुत सारी चीजें हमारे प्लांट से मिलती हैं, बहुत सारी एनिमल्स से भी मिलती हैं, और उसके अलावा कुछ अंडरग्राउंड चीजें भी हैं जो कि हमारे धरती के नीचे अंदर पाई जाती हैं. सो वी डिग द अर्थ एंड गेट द रिसोर्सेज आउट एंड वी यूज इट. ओके, so let us learn some different kind of things which we get from the different kind of producers. Okay, so first of all we will read about the things which we get from the which we get from the plants. Okay, so the materials get from plants. As you all know, firstly we get food items from the plants, like fresh fruits and vegetables we get from the plants which we eat, which is very essential for us. Okay, it makes our good health and make us healthy. Okay, but beside it the different kind of things also available जो कि हम अपने डेली यूज में उनको यूज करते हैं, जो हमें प्लांट से मिलता है और फिर ह्यूमन उसको बनाता है दूसरे तरीके से और फिर उसको यूज करते हैं हम अपने डेली बेसिस पे. ओके, so what are the things we use or we get? So first of all we get the cotton. As you all know, cotton we wear in the summer season. Cotton is a very good product which we get from the plant. We get it from the cotton plant. The cotton plant gave us the cotton. Firstly we make thread from the cotton and then woven it and get the cloth of piece. Okay, then the cloth of piece is used to make the so many things like clothes, bags, bags, toys, bed sheets, tents and many other things which is made from the cotton cloth. Okay, cotton clothes are very comfortable, so we use this cotton to make different kind of things. Now next is wood. Next is wood which we get from the plant or big trees. So the wood we get from the trees is converted into the pulp, and the pulp is used to making a paper. पेपर जो जिससे आपकी ये बुक बनी हुई है, ये जो है हमें किससे मिला है? पल्प, यानी कि जो कि वुड से आपको मिला था, वुड से उसे कन्वर्ट किया गया था पल्प में, एंड देन वी गेट अ पेपर. सो वी यूज दिस पेपर इन डिफरेंट पर्पसेस लाइक टू मेक द बुक्स, टू मेक द नोटबुक्स, newspapers, magazines, and beside it we use the paper for making paper bags and boxes also. Okay, so the different kind of processes is shown in your book. Here are the process of the cloth is made of cotton, the paper is made up of bamboo, and the boat of is made of wood. Okay, so and beside we get the paper from the wood, we get the and so many other things also from the wood. There are some special trees whose woods are very good, so that would be used for making furnitures, doors, windows and etc things. Okay, now the next thing which we get from the plants is jute fiber. Okay, jute fiber is very good. It is used for making clothes and mats and ropes. Okay, and jute cloth is mainly used for making sacks. Why the sacks is made? Because the sacks is used for the food grains or sugars to collect or store them. Okay, so mostly the jute cloth is used for the making sacks यानी कि बोरे बनाए जाते हैं जूट से, जो कि आपके फूड ग्रेन्स, अनाज को और शुगर्स को कलेक्ट करने के लिए बनाया जाता है. Now the next thing which we get from the plant is coconut fiber. Coconut fiber is a fiber which we get from the coconut. Coconut fruit is there which we get from coconut tree. So as you all know that the coconut is has a outer covering. उस पे एक ब्राउन कलर की कवरिंग होती है जो कि रेशे जैसे होते हैं, जिसको हम जब हम खाने के लिए यूज करते हैं नारियल को यानी कोकोनट को, तो हम उसको बाहर निकाल देते हैं, फेंक देते हैं. बट दैट इज very important, that is called husk, और it is mainly called coil. coil जो है उसका जो means वो जो part है, जो fibers जो है वो use किया जाता है mats बनाने के लिए, ropes बनाने के लिए and mattresses बनाने के लिए. mattresses means गद्दे बनाने के लिए. why the coconut fiber is used for making the mattress? Because coconut fibers is very cool. Its mattresses are good for summer season because it do not get heat up, and it cool on the bed, and it is very comfortable for sleeping. So it is very good for making the mattresses. Okay, now next is the rubber plants. Rubber plant is a plant which give us a very important material, that is rubber. As you all know that we use so many things which is made from the rubber. Okay, so rubber is the substance which used to make erasers. जो आप eraser मिटाते हैं ना, वो erasers, tires, tubes, shoes, toys and the different kind of things which made from the rubber, which we get from the rubber plant. Okay, So these are the things which we get from the plants. Okay, so in this video this is all for now. Some topics are left from this chapter, but we will discuss the left topics in our next video class. Okay, so till then, thank you, have a nice day.